In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Remitly profile information. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to keep your details current and accurate. Start by going to the Remitly homepage. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your name to open the account menu. From that drop-down, choose Settings. On the Settings page, select Profile Information. This is the hub where you can review and update key details on your account. Let's begin with your name. In the Profile Information section, find the name area and click Edit. You'll see fields for first name and last name. Enter your information exactly as it appears on the government ID or bank documents you use with Remitly. Consistency can help prevent delays during verification. When you're done, click Save to confirm the change. Next, update your address. Locate the Address section and click Edit. In street address, type your primary address as it appears on official statements. If you have an apartment, suite, or unit, you can add that in the optional line below. Then fill in your city, select your state, and enter your zip code. Double-check spelling and numbers. Small typos can cause issues with deliveries or compliance checks. Click Save to lock in the update. Now review your phone number section. Click Edit to make changes if needed, ensuring it's a number you can receive texts or calls on for security notifications. When everything looks correct, click Save. Keeping this current helps with account recovery and important alerts. While you're here, note there's also a password section within your profile settings. This is where you can manage your login security whenever necessary. You'll also see language, which lets you choose the display language that's most comfortable for you. Finally, there are two helpful context settings: sending to and sending from. These reflect the countries you typically send money to and from, which can influence available delivery options and fees. Before you leave the page, take a quick moment to scan all of your details to make sure everything's saved correctly. Accurate profile information helps Remitly verify your account, keeps your transfers running smoothly, and ensures you receive important notifications. If something doesn't look right, just return to the relevant section, click Edit, adjust the information, and save again. That's it. You've updated your Remitly profile information with confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to make a change.